Hi, this is Paul, City Sailing. I just want to talk to you about the setup of a radar. So we have the RYA Radar simulator here. So to start with the transmit, we go to the bottom right hand corner, click on transmit, and then we'll see a picture on display. So this picture is Portsmouth. We've got Portsmouth Harbour entrance and the coast coming round, Isle of Wight behind us, and various targets. The underwater wall with the passage here, fault here, fault here, fault here in the Solent. But what I'm going to show you is how the radar sets up. So we can go in and out on ranges. So if we look at ranges, range plus, so they go to 6 miles. So that's 6 miles from the middle to the outer. If we wanted to put rings on, we click on the rings and it will give us the rings. So 6 to the outer, 1 for each ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a personal preference. Personally, I don't like rings because I think it hides items. So we can go 12 miles, 16 miles, 24 miles, and back into a usable length. So back to 6 miles. I'm gonna have a quick look to see what 3 miles looks like. 3 miles, if we're going into Portsmouth, we can just see the entrance here. We have the VRM, which stands for variable range marker. We can turn it on and we can click and we can measure distances. So that VRM from us to the coast here is 1.59 miles. So we can use that for navigation by measuring distance. So with the radar, distance off from known points make a much easier and more accurate position than using position lines with the EBL or electronic block bearing line. So if we switch on the EBL, we can move that round and that will give us the angle of that line, which is relative to us. So if we move the line round, so the entrance to Portsmouth Harbour relative to us will be EBL 339.5 relative. Okay, I can turn that off and I can turn the EBL off. I can press the HM marker and that would turn off the header marker. So if there's a target behind the header marker, we can click that and that'll come off. If we wanted to leave trails, we can click on echo trails and we can show here how long we want the echo trails to be on: 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or continuous trails. We can put guard alarm on, we can off center, we can put index line on, and we'll show you all this later. We can adjust the brightness with brilliance. So it's getting darker and getting back brighter again. We can adjust the gain, so the more gain we have, you can see the more dots on the screen, so the dots will increase on the screen. So we want to do that, and we want to come back till the dots just disappear. So we're back again. It's not a very nice night, so we're going to head away from Portsmouth. So we're going to go hard starboard, full throttle, and the ship's head will turn. So with north up, the land will stay the same. Okay, so the land's staying the same. As we alter course round, and we can see us altering course here, past Portsmouth. As we alter course round, the line just moves. Okay, If we then go into head up, so here's head up display. As we move, the land moves. Okay, so if we come back again and we steer towards Portsmouth, we'll see that as we move, the land moves. So there we are, heading into Portsmouth, gone past that. So our headline stays the same. So if we were to stick our head out the hatch here, or straight out the front window, what we see is what we get. So that's head up. Some people like that, some people find that good for pilotage, but the difference is you can see the charts moving. So if I click to north up, it goes stable, okay, and it will go the same as the chart. So we've got head up, what we can see, north up, same as the chart. Most sets that we'll see will have the choice between north up, okay, which is stabilized. So with north up, we can do bearings and we can do distance off and we can do collision avoidance. So that's the difference between the two. Thank you for watching our city sailing video on the RYA Radar course. We've covered the setup of a radar, course up, north up, variable range marker, EBL line, gain control, clutter and bright. This is a part of a series of videos on the RYA Radar course and the RYA Day Skipper Essential Nav videos that we host. We hope you come to a RYA practical course so you can use this simulator and other simulators to do your RYA Radar course in person and gain the certificate for the RYA Radar course. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Check out the website citysailing.com and see when the dates are, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers out.